Good evening, children. Now we are going to discuss about commercial mathematics. In our syllabus, in the topic, we are going to discuss about average, compound interest, and also fundamentals of variations, that is direct and inverse proportions, time and distance, time and work. In that, first we are going to discuss about average. Already you know the average. It is nothing but sum of observations by number of observations. Then if you transpose by number of observations to this side, by becomes as into. Then we will get number of observations into average is equal to sum of observations. We will use this one mainly when you don't know the observations. Without knowing the observations, if you know the average, then to find out sum of observations, we will use this formula. For example, in a class, the average of 5 students is 40. Then what is the total of the total marks of the students means? Just this is number of students, this is average. So if you multiply it 40 into 5, it is equal to 200. Then sum of the marks of the 5 students is 200. Means here we don't know individual marks, but we know the average. So to find out the total, we will use this formula. Mainly we will use this formula when the observations are not given. Okay. Now one by one we will discuss. See the first question. Find the average of first 40 natural numbers. Average of first 40 natural numbers. So if you want the average, you know that sum of observations by number of observations. So sum of observations means here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 40. He said sum first 40 natural numbers. So sum of first 40 natural numbers by number of observations means 40. Then to find out its value, we have already learned one formula, that is sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula to find out sum of first n natural numbers. We are already discussed in state syllabus. So using the formula, here n represents number of natural numbers. So here we are taking 40 numbers. So 40 into 40 plus 1, that is 41 by 2. It is equal to 220 jar. Then 20 into 41 is equal to 0, 2, 8. So the total sum of the first 40 natural numbers is 820. So 820 by 40. Then by doing the cancellation, 0, 0 cancel, 2, 2 jar, 2, 41 jar. So the answer is 41 by 2. That is the average of first 40 natural numbers. But in the options, it is not given. So the answer will be option D. Next. Coming to second question. The average of 15 results is 40. If the average of first 8 results is 39, that of the last 8 digits is 8 results is 41. Then what is the 8th result? Here you can notice one thing. The average of 15 results, totally 15 numbers are there. 15 numbers, the average is 40. So here you can calculate the sum of observations. The number of students is 15 and average is 40. So sum of 15 numbers, it is equal to, already we discussed the formula, that is number of observations into average. So 15 into 40, it is equal to 600. That is total of 15 numbers. And next, here in the second line they said if the average of first 8 results is 39. Means here also we can calculate sum of first 8 numbers. Sum of first 8 numbers. You should take it. They said the average is 39. So 39 into 8. Its value. $312. Next, they said that of the last 8 digits is 41. Means here also they said average of last 8 digits. So you can calculate sum of last 8 digits. Means 8 numbers. It is equal to, they given as 41. So 41 into 8. It is equal to 832. 328. That is, first they said mean of 15 numbers is 40. So using it we can calculate sum of the 15 numbers. And they said mean of first 8 numbers is 39. So we can calculate sum of first 8 numbers. And next they said mean of last 8 numbers is 41. So I calculated sum of the last 8 numbers. Here a logical thing is there. Given total 15 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In that one, they said average of first 8 numbers. Means he calculated average of first 8 numbers. And next, by adding this all, you will get 312. And next, we calculated sum of last 8 numbers. Last 8 numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means this one we calculated. Okay, so sum of these all numbers is 328 and sum of these all numbers is 312. But you know that sum of all the numbers is 600. But you can notice that here the 8th number is calculated 2 times. So this total, that means 8th number is calculated 2 times, means if you take sum of these 2, means first 8 numbers and last 8 numbers, their total is 312 plus 328. It is 640. If you take first 8, last 8. But here you calculated 8 2 times. So because of it only you got the difference. If you take total 15 numbers, 600 is there. So the which number is calculated additionally, it will be the difference. So the difference is 40. Means the 8th number is 40. So if you come to the answers, option A. That is the 8th number. And next, come to third one. The average of first 5 numbers is 32. Average of first 5 numbers is 32. If one number is excluded means we remove that one. The 5 numbers, for example, 5 friends are there. Their marks, we calculate their marks. It's the average came as 32. If one number is excluded, means one boy will not wrote the exam. Otherwise, he took the paper and he is not in the group. Then we will remove his marks. Then the average becomes as 28. Find the excluded number. Means one boy excluded. What is his marks? How many marks he got? That's they are asking. So see that they said the average of 5 numbers. So average of 5 numbers is 32. Average of 5 numbers is 32. So we can calculate their sum. So we know that the formula for sum of the numbers is average into number of observations. It is equal to 160. Now they said if the one number is excluded, then the average becomes as 28. Means average of 4 numbers, because one number excluded. So we remove that one. Means there are remaining numbers are 4 numbers only. 4 numbers average is, they said, 28. Then if you take the sum of the numbers, that is average into 4. So 112. So if you take sum of 5 numbers, it is 160. If you take sum of 4 numbers, 112. That means the remaining number will be 5th number. 4 members are there. Total 5 members are there. If you add total, you will get 160. If you add up to here, you will get 112. Means the difference is 5th number. So 160 minus 112. It is 8. Here 4. So the excluded number is 48. So the answer is option C. Okay, next, 5th question. The average marks of 40 students in mathematics group are 50 and the average mark of 50 students in science group is 68. Find the combined mean of 90 students. Here 2 groups are there. First group, maths group, second group, science group. In the maths group, there are 40 students and in the science group, there are 50 students. The average mark of 40 students is 50. So, the average mark of 40 students, they given it as 50. So, we can calculate the total marks of the 40 students. That is average into number of observations. So, it is equal to 2000. So, the 2000 is sum of the all marks, sum of the marks of math students. In the same way, second they given science group. In the science group, there are 50 members and the average is 68. So, for 50 members, the average mark is 68. Means sum of the marks equal to average into number of students. That is, then multiplying it, 5 are 40, 34. This is sum of the marks of the 50 students. This is sum of the marks of 40 students. Now he is asking total, combining the both groups. Combining the both groups means here 40 students, here 50 students. So total number of students is 60. And the total marks of the students is, this is the total of maths group, this is total of science group. The total is 5400. That is total. So now they are asking the average of the total, combining the total. That means average means sum of observations by number of observations. Here sum of observations is 5400 by number of observations 90. 0 0 cancel, 9 6 jar 0. That is, so this is the average of total students. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమవటం కోసం సింపుల్గా మీ క్లాస్లో 40 గర్ల్స్ 50 బాయ్స్ ఉన్నారనుకోండి. 40 గర్ల్స్కి టోటల్ ఇవి, 50 గర్ల్స్కి టోటల్ ఇది. సో ఇప్పుడు టోటల్ క్లాస్ మొత్తం యావరేజ్ మీన్స్ here total number of students will be 90 and total marks will be this one. So average is 60. That is. Next, sixth question. The average monthly salary of 20 employees in an organization is 1500 rupees. If manager's salary is added, then the average salary increased by 100 rupees. What is manager's monthly salary? Here see that 20 employees are there. Their average salary is 1500 rupees. And if manager salary added, if you see, we did already one sum in the fourth question, I think. Okay, third question. In that we did 5 members are there. Their average is given. One number is excluded, means removed. So we subtracted that number from the total. Here we have it is given as added. So here we have to add the manager's salary to the total. Then the average becomes, is not said becomes, it is increased by 100. Increased by 100 means already it is 1500. It is increased by 100 means it will be 1600 if you add the manager's salary. So first of all, that is 20 employees are there and their average salary is given as 1500 rupees. So their sum of salaries is equal to average into number of employees. It is equal to 30,000 rupees. It is sum of the salaries of all the employees. Now manager salary is added. So if you add manager salary, then it will be 30,000. We don't know manager salary, so take it as some x. Then the total amount will be 30,000 plus x. And number of persons, here already 20 employees are there, one manager, so the total number of persons will be 21. Then the average is sum of observations by number of observations, means 30,000 plus x by 21. This is average of all the 21 members. But given that if you add the manager salary, it is average is increased by 100. Already average is 1500. If you increase 100, it is 1600. Then transposing the value to the side, we will get 30,000 plus x is equal to 1600 into 21. Then 30,000 into 30,000 plus x is equal to, by multiplying it, 33,600. Now transposing it, x equal to 33,600 minus 30,000. Then x equal to 3,600. X means salary of manager. So salary of manager is 3,600. That is. And next, seventh question. A batsman makes a score of 80 runs in the 15th innings and thus increased his average by 4 runs. Find his average after 15th inning. See once again, a batsman makes a score of 80 runs in 15th innings. Means he played totally 15 innings. In that 15th inning, he made 80 runs. So before it means up to 15th innings means, okay, A batsman makes a score of 80 runs. Okay, in 15th innings means up to 14th innings, he made some runs, and now in the question they said thus increased his average by 4 runs. It means up to 14th innings he calculated his average score. After adding this 15th innings, average increased by 4 runs. Then he is asking what is his average after 15 innings. So here you can see that in the up to 14 innings he made some score. He took the average of the score. We don't know that score. So let the average score up to 14 innings is X. Up to 14 innings is X. This is the average. Okay. So what will be the score up to 14 innings means number of innings 14 and average is X. So 14x. Next, this is 14th, not 14th, 14 innings. So we are taking all the 14 innings score and finding the average, it is x. So it is 14x. Okay, now he said in the 15th inning, he made some runs. It is 80 runs. 80 runs, then is the total will be 14x plus 80. Up to 14 innings, he made totally 14x runs. And now by adding this 80 runs, 14x plus 80 runs. And in the given sum, he said it is the average is raised by 4 runs. This is average of 14 innings. Now he said the average is raised by 4 innings. So if you take the average first, that is sum of observations by number of observations. So sum of observations means 14x plus 80 by, here we added the 80 runs also, means total innings 15 innings. Then he, according to the given sum, he said the average, this is the average. The average is increased by 4 runs. Means it becomes as x plus 4. Now simplifying it, we will get 14x plus 80 is equal to 15x plus 60. Next, transposing it, 14x minus 15x is equal to 60 minus 80. Minus x equal to minus 20, x equal to 20. So, average of his runs up to 14 innings is x. Up to 14 innings, it is x, means 20. And according to given sum, after 15 innings, it is increased by 4, means x plus 4. It is equal to 24. So, the average after 15 innings is 24. See once again, 14 innings completed. They calculated, we don't know how many runs are there. So, I took that average as x. Then total number of runs will be 14x. In the 15th inning, 80 runs. So by adding it, total runs of up to 15 innings. Then number of innings is 15. Total is this one. Then average is 14x plus 80 by 15. But according to given sum, the average is increased by 4 runs. Means it becomes as x plus 4. Simplifying it, you got x value 20. Then the average becomes as 24. That is. Now come to 8th question. The average weight of a class of 10 students is increased by 2 kgs when a girl whose weight is 40 kgs is replaced by a boy. Find the weight of the boy. So see that in the previous questions, in one question, one student, one number is excluded. In another question, one person's salary is added. Here also we did one match runs added. But here see once, it is replaced. See once again the question. The average weight of a class of 10 students. 10 students are there in the class. The average weight is, they not said the average weight. See, is they saying that the average weight of the 10 students is increased by 2 kgs. Increase in they are not saying the average of 10 students. But the average is increased by 2 kgs. When if a girl whose weight is 40 kgs is replaced by a boy whose weight is 40 kgs is replaced by a boy. అంటే 10 స్టూడెంట్స్లో ఒక గర్ల్ ఉంది, ఆమె వెయిట్ 40 kgs. ఆ 40 kgsని తీసేసి దాని ప్లేస్లో ఇఫ్ we replaced a boy, we don't know the weight of the boy also, but after keeping replacing the boy, you will get the average is increased by 2 kgs. So first of all, there are 10 students. We don't know what is their average also, so take it as some x. Then weight of the 10 students will be 10 into x is 10x, means average into number of students. It gives sum of the observations, means here the observation is weight. So the weight of the 10 students is 10x. In the 10x, one girl is there, her weight is 40 kgs. So first we are replacing him. So first remove the 40, then 10x minus 40. Okay, this is for 9 students because we are removing one girl. So this is average of, sorry, not average, sum of the weight of the 9 students except the girl. But in the place of girl, we replaced a boy. We don't know the weight of boy. So let the weight of boy is some y. Then by adding, now if you want to calculate the weight of 10 students, then it becomes as 10x minus 40 plus y. 10x minus 40, it is up to 9 students. It is weight of 9 students. By adding the 10th student, means who is replaced by girl, then his weight by adding it, it is y. Now they said here number of students is 10 students because we add another boy. So it is 10 weight of 10 students. Now according to the given sum, he said the average weight of 10 students is increased by 2 kgs. So here the average is of 10 students is x. Now here the average of the 10 students becomes as 10x minus 40 plus y by 10 students. Same number of students are there. Now is according to the sum, it is increased by 2. Already previous average is x. The x is increased by 2, means x plus 2. Then simplifying it, 10x minus 40 plus y is equal to 10x plus 20. both sides 10x 10x cancel. Transposing the minus 40 to that side, y equal to 20 plus 40. Then y equal to 60. Y means weight of the new boy. That is weight of boy. So weight of boy is 60 kgs. So see once again, 10 students are there. We don't know their average. Let it is x. Then weight of the 10 students is 10x. From that one girl is replaced. So her weight is 40. So replaced means we are decreasing. Decrease that one. Means 10x minus 40. It is weight of 9 students. And additionally one boy came and we added it, but we don't know his weight. Take it as y. Then the total weight becomes as 10x minus 40 plus y. It is a weight of the 10 students, including this boy. Then, according to given sum, the average is increased by 2. So, x plus 2. Calculating it, you will get the y equal to 60. Means, weight of the boy is 60. That is. Next, 9th one. The average temperature of Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday was 40 degrees centigrades. The average for Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday was 41. If the temperature on Thursday be 42 degrees centigrades, find the temperature on Monday. Okay. Next question, see once again. The average temperature of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is 40 centigrades. 40 degrees centigrades. So, average of the first 3 days means Monday plus means temperature on Monday plus temperature on Tuesday plus temperature on Wednesday. Average means sum of observations by number of observations. Here 3 days we are taking. So, by 3 is equal to 40 degrees centigrades. Transposing it, we will get Monday temperature plus Tuesday temperature plus Wednesday temperature. It is equal to 4 3 jar 120. That is, transposing the by 3 to that side, it is into the total will be 120. And next they said the average of for Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So Tuesday plus Wednesday plus Thursday. That is, there are also 3 days. So, by 3. It is given as 41 degrees centigrades. So, Tuesday plus Wednesday plus Thursday. It is equal to, transposing the by 3 to that side, you will get 123 degrees centigrades. And next in the question they said, if the temperature on Thursday be 42 degrees. So, they said temperature on Thursday is 42. So, substituting the value Tuesday plus Wednesday plus 42 is equal to 123. Then Tuesday plus Wednesday is equal to 123 minus 42. Then Tuesday plus Wednesday, subtracting it, 81. That is Tuesday plus Wednesday. Substitute this value in the first equation. From the first equation, you can notice that Monday plus Tuesday plus Wednesday is 120. Monday plus Tuesday plus Wednesday is 120. But now you got Tuesday plus Wednesday is 81. So, Monday plus Tuesday plus Wednesday, it is 81. So, 81 is equal to 120. Then Monday equal to 120 minus 81. Then temperature on Monday is 39 degrees centigrades. That is. That's all. So 39 degrees centigrades. Option B. Next, 10th question. This is also about average. Okay, only this is last question about average in the chapter. So try yourself. Otherwise, I will explain in the classroom. Thank you.